Ma'am, did you receive the document? I sent it.
Check that after some time, sure. Cube. So in this question, we have to see that's cube we have to show. So for that, we have to take the similar condition. You are able to see the screen, right? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let A be any positive integer divided by 3. And Q and R, the proper word, symbols, that is quotient and remainder.
We'll have to write 9 cases.
No, divided by 3.
Yes, ma'am. Divided by 3 meaning 3 cases.
3 cases. So now, so it is A is equal to 3Q plus R, where R is greater than equal to 0, but less than equal to 3. So possible values of R will be
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2.
only these message, right? So now take case 1. Case 1, when R is equal to 0. So A is equal to 3Q. If A is equal to 3Q, they're asking cube. So A cube is equal to 3Q whole cube.
27.
So this is equal to 27Q cube, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 27 we have to show in the form of 9m. So therefore we have to take 9 common from this. 27 is divisible by 9. So 3Q cube. So we can consider this as 9m, where m is 3Q cube. Here first case.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then case 2, when R is equal to 1. So what is A? A is equal to
3Q plus 1.
2 plus 1. Now we have to take the cube. So cubing both the sides. 3Q plus 1 whole cube. This is equal to, this is A plus B whole cube. So what is A plus B whole cube formula identity?
A cube plus
A
B cube
cube
plus
plus
3A
B
square B
cube
plus 3AB
plus
square.
3A square B plus 3AB square.
I'm keeping it in because the number will be at end. We need 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Therefore, I'm keeping this number B cube at the end. Sorry, it is B cube. Therefore, now here 3Q whole cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus 3B cube. B is 1 cube. So this is equal to 3 cube is 27Q cube plus 3 square is 9. 9 into 3, 27Q square. Now this is 9 cube plus 1 cube is 1. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
From first three terms, we can take 9 common. So it will be 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. And then outside 1. So we can consider this as a quotient and we will consider the another variable for the quotient m. So 9m plus 1 is a cube. Second case clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then case 3, when r is equal to 2. So a is equal to 3q plus 2. Now cubing, taking cubes, 3q plus 2 whole cube. So it is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So this is equal to 27 q cube plus 3 square 9. 9 threes are 27. 27 twos are 54 q square plus 2 square is 4. 4 nines are 36 q plus 8. Out of that, from the first 3, we can take 9 common. So 9 into bracket 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q plus 8. So this is equal to 9m plus 8 is the value of a cube. So third, we can show that is, and these are the only remainder possible. So therefore, we can show that is cube of any integer is any positive integer is of the form either 9m, first part you have seen 9m, or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, last till which part we have done? Sit down, whoever have not completed last class.
Ma'am, can you scroll it down?
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. So last statement you have to write as a copy the question given. Understood? This question is very important question. This cube part. Now next is product. Prove that the product of two consecutive positive integers is always divisible by 2. Now we know, take any two consecutive numbers. 50, 51. Product is divisible. Can you turn on your camera? I can't see you. I don't know how with whom I'm speaking. Okay. So any two consecutive numbers, if you take it, those are now here product. Suppose we take 50 and 51. Product of this is divisible by 2 completely.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is because one of the number is always divisible by 2. Take 321 and the next one is 322. Can we divide with 2? Yes, it is 161. So 322 is even number, will be always divisible. Now that is we have to prove by using Euclid's division lemma. So here two consecutive integers. We can consider them as n and n plus 1. Two consecutive integers as n and n plus 1. Okay. Now we have to show this is, that means n is a number and n plus 1 is the next consecutive number. So instead of a, we are now considering n. So let n be any positive integer. Let it divide by 2. Then q and r be the quotient and integers, right? So according to Euclid's division lemma, n is equal to 2q plus r. So where r is greater than equal to 0 but less than 2. So we have only 2 remainder, that is equal to 0 or 1. So case 1. R is equal to 0. So if R is equal to 0, then what is n? 2q. Q. And what is n plus 1?
2q plus 1.
2q plus 1. No product. We can write as n into n plus 1. That is equal to 2q into 2q plus 1. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here 2 into q into 2q plus 1. So can we write 2 into q into 2q plus 1? So we have taken out.
Yes,
Can we write this is in the form of 2m,
yes, ma'am.
where m is q into 2q plus 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, there is no need of more cases, right? Case 1 is enough.
No, case 2 also, no. Because if the remainder is 0, then n is divisible. Now what about the when remainder is not 0? If a number is divided by 2, then it is remainder is not 0. That case also you have to show. This is right. So product is of the form 2m. So therefore product n and n plus 1 is divisible by 2. of case 2, where R is 1. N is equal to 2q plus 1. And then what is n plus 1 is equal to?
2q plus 2.
2q plus 1 plus 1. That is
2q plus 2.
plus 2. So can we write 2 common?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is q plus 1. So now product is n into n plus 1. So what is n? 2q plus 1 into 2 into q plus 1. So this 2 we can write out. 2 into bracket q plus 1 into 2q plus 1. So this is we can write as 2 into m, where m is q plus 1 into 2q plus 1. Right? Into 2q plus 1. So therefore now product is again of the form 2m. That means product is divisible by 2. Therefore product n into n plus 1 is divisible by 2. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down.
Ma'am, can you please scroll it down?
Ma'am, could you scroll down?
Yes. Yes.
Now, when we find the product, it's 2q plus 1 into 2 into 2q plus 1. So when you put 2 in the bracket, it should be 2q plus 2.
No, we have only written this in order, proper order. This is order is changed here, right?
Yeah.
Step only you're asking. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. A into B into C. I have written B into C into A.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is only we have done.
Okay, fine.
Only change the order. That's it.
Okay, yeah. Then, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So now the next question is, show that n square minus n is divisible by 2 for every positive integer n. N is any positive integer. Now it is when it is divided by 2, we have to show that n square minus 1 term is always divisible by 2. That means remainder is 0 every time. So n square minus n we have to show in the form 2m. Now let n be any positive integer. Let it divide by 2. Q and R are the quotients and remainder. So therefore n is equal to 2q plus R, where R is greater than equal to 0 but less than 2. So possible values of R are 0 or 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is 1 when R is equal to 0. So n is equal to 2q, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
N square minus n. So what is n square? 2q
Square.
minus 2q. So this is 4q square
Square.
minus 2q. Can we take 2 common?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is in the form 2m. So we can take 2 common.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So it will become 2q square minus q. So can we write
Yes, ma'am.
2m, where m is 2q square minus q, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, n square minus n is divisible by 2. First case. Now there are 2 cases, so both the cases we have to see. When r is 1, so what is n? 2q plus 1.
Q plus 1.
Then n square minus n. So n square is
2Q plus 1 the whole square minus 2Q.
plus 1. So this is equal to 4q square plus 4q plus 1 minus this minus, open the bracket, it is minus 2q minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So you left with 4q square plus 2q. You take 2 common again. So it is 2q square plus q. Again we got. So that means it is of the form 2m. What is m? Where m is equal to 2q square q. So that,
Ma'am, this sign of therefore is also called where.
yeah, where? It's because, this sign is because. This sign is therefore.
Upside down.
Upside down you have to.
Ma'am, so whatever question is there, we should represent it in 2m, not 2m plus 1 like that.
No, here it is not coming, so therefore we are not showing it.
Yes, ma'am. So for every question, we should form with variable m, ma'am.
Variable m we have shown, so one of the variable, just like quotient q you are using, so another quotient when it is divisible by 2 we are showing it as m, because most of the places in questions they have used m, therefore.
Ma'am, can we take Q common, ma'am?
Why to take 2 common? Because q common, because we are not supposed to do that one. Only we need multiple of 2. We have to show either multiple of 2, multiple of 4, multiple of 3, 5, like that we have to show.
Okay, ma'am.
So therefore only number we are taking out, and left out everything we can keep inside.
Ma'am, in this chapter, all questions are similar type only, case 1, case 2.
This type questions. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, can you scroll it down?
Yeah.
Over there.
Now from the worksheet, 69 we have solved. 70th you can solve now. Check. Show that square of any positive integer cannot be of the form 3m plus 2. That you can solve.
Also, should we do contradiction?
No contradiction. Directly you have to tell that is the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. 66 question you have solved. So if it is only of the form 3m and 3m plus 1, so it cannot be of the form 3m plus 2. Don't solve right now, only I am asking you. That is homework. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You can solve.
Yes, ma'am.
71st, I will take at the end, not now. Mark that, it is somewhat needed. Before that, we need to solve other, then we can solve that.
Ma'am, can you repeat the homework?
70th, you can solve. 71st, I will solve at the end, not now. Then right now, 72. Just now you have seen for only 2 number products. Now it is in a product of 3 consecutive positive integers. The earlier question you have seen, the product of 2 consecutive integers was divisible by 2. Now here, any question, read question very carefully, prove that one of any 3 consecutive integers must be divisible by 3. So take any example, take any 3 consecutive numbers.
And so n plus 1 and n plus 2, in these, anyone should be divided by 3.
No, in simple words, with simple numbers, I'm trying to explain you. Then we will go with the for this one method, derivation differently. So first, take any 3 consecutive numbers.
1, 2, 3.
25,
1, 2, 3, ma'am.
20, 1, 2, 3. So out of that, all 3 are divisible by 3, or only 1 is divisible by 3?
Only one.
Only one.
Only 3 is divisible by 3. Now take 25, 26, 27.
Only
27 is
27 is
divisible.
Divisible by 3.
27.
Only 27 is divisible by 3. Right? Now take 50, 51, 52.
Only 52 is divisible.
52 is divisible.
51 is divisible.
Sorry, 51.
Yeah, 51.
50, only 51 is divisible by 3, right? Then we take 81, 82, 83.
81.
Only
81.
81, ma'am.
81 is this.
right? So that means if you take any 3 consecutive integer, out of those 3, only any one of them is divisible by 3. 2 others are not divisible by 3. That is what we have to show here. Meaning clear?
Yes, ma'am.
First understand the meaning and then we will start solving.
Ma'am, we know this.
No, we are not done.
No, like the table of 3, like the 3 numbers are the multiple of 3, so it's obvious.
n plus 1, n plus 2.
These are all,
But we have to prove it.
but we have to prove it by Euclid's division lemma.
Yes.
Okay. So n be any positive integer. Let it divide by 3. Q be the quotient, R be the remainder. Now 3 consecutive integers are
3q, sorry, n plus 1, n plus 2.
n, n plus 1 and n plus 2. Okay. So now first is n is equal to 3q plus r, where r is greater than equal to 0 but less than 3. So possible values of r are 0 or 1 or 2. So these are the 3 possible values of remainder. So start with case 1, where r is equal to 0. So what is the value of n? 3q plus 0 is 3q. Now what is n plus 1? 3q plus 1. And what is n plus 2? 3q plus 2. Now from these 3, which one is divisible by 3?
3q.
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 That means only
Only one is divisible by
is divisible by 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Case 2, r is equal to 1. So n is equal to 3q plus 1. Then what is n plus 1?
Q plus 2.
3q plus 1.
1 plus 1.
That is
3Q plus 2.
3q plus 2. And what is n plus 2?
3Q plus 2 plus 1.
Plus 2 plus 1.
Plus 1 plus 2. N is 3q plus 1, right here?
Yes.
Then plus 2. So which is equal to
3Q plus
3.
3.
So which one is divisible by 3?
3Q plus 3. 3Q plus 3. Now we
3Q
can
plus
take 3Q plus 3 common 3. So Q plus 1.
So it is q plus 1.
1.
So now it is divisible by 3.
Yes.
So you can write only n plus 2 is divisible by 3. Clear?
Yes.
Only other two are divisible by 3. 3q plus 1 is divisible by 3. No.
No.
Plus
Reminder is 1 and 2 respectively.
plus 2. We can't divide with 3. So that means only n plus 2 is divisible by 3. And in case of case 3, r is equal to 2. So n is equal to 3q plus 2. So what is n plus 1? 3q
3q plus 3.
plus 2 plus 1. That is 3q plus 3. So we can take 3 common. It will be q plus 1. And what is n plus 2? That is 3q plus 2
plus 2 plus 1
so
plus
3q plus 4. Can we take 3 common?
No.
No. So only n plus 1 is divisible by 3.
So in this one, don't need to represent in 3M form. No? Only you can represent in 3.
You have shown 3.
Yes.
You write 3m. Clear? So we
Yes.
have shown 3 cases because 3 remainders possible. And with 3 cases, we have tested all the consecutive terms. And we know that is only one of the 3 terms, consecutive terms are divisible by 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am.
Write down. Everyone able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone still facing problem in such questions?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, are we supposed to buy any books for maths and science?
No, nothing. That's those questions. If you solve, that's enough. More than enough because I have collected all those questions from all the books.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, so we should write even conclusion, ma'am.
Yes, at the end you have to write the conclusion. There's the same, you can copy the question. Same question in the, other than prove that part you can copy as it is. Now exactly similar way, can you prove this?
Yes, ma'am. But n plus 2 and n plus 4 are not three consecutive integers.
No, here they are not consecutive.
Yes, ma'am. But the proving is same.
Proof remains same.
Ma'am, so in this also we should represent it in 3 cases, ma'am.
Yes, all three cases, because it is divisible by 3, they have told. So there
Yes.
are 3 cases.
Ma'am, I finished the question.
Done? Completed?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Similar way. But here will be how many cases?
5.
5 cases.
5.
5.
You have to divide with 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the cases.
Yes. Ma'am,
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Find exactly similar way you can try the remaining questions. You are not supposed to solve 76 now, that I will take tomorrow. 76 and the 71st. 71 and 76 you are not supposed to do. Then you can try till question number 82.
ma'am, so these all are homework, ma'am.
Yeah, homework, remaining ones. Okay. Try solving. If you don't get, I'm there tomorrow.
Fine, ma'am.
And these type of questions will come for how many marks, ma'am?
3 marks or 4 marks?
Ma'am, but 4 marks is deleted, right? 4 marks will not come.
Yeah, as it is. We don't know this year what they do. They will do. We don't know anything about the structure of paper.
Ma'am, still question 82, no, ma'am?
Yeah, till 82. Remaining questions. You have solved 74th. So 75, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. So those questions you have to solve.
Ma'am, homework, ma'am.
Homework.
Okay, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then if you completed this question, you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Arav, are you there?